Are you gonna make Jell-O?
Yeah.
Okay, open up the Jell-O.
Okay.
You got it?
Okay.
Okay, hold on just a second. See Annabelle making Jell-O? Okay. Okay, first we gotta open it. Okay, pour it in. How's that? Is it all in there? Okay, we're going to be making blackberry fusion Jell-O today. Do you want to taste it to see if it's good? Is it good? Okay. Now we need 1 cup of hot water. It's hot, no touches. Okay, no touches. Here, now we're gonna stir it. Daddy's gonna stir it because it's hot. You ready to put in ice cubes? Okay, ready to put in the ice? Can you put the ice in? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you stir it. Okay, keep stirring it. How is it? Is it almost ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Still warm.
You're doing a really good job.
Still warm.
Is it still warm?
Yeah.
Okay.
And touch it.
Is it cold yet?
Mm.
Is that good? Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready to take the ice out? Or is it ready?
Yeah.
How's that? Are you ready to take the ice cubes out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take the ice out and put it in the sink. Goodbye. Keep going. Okay, stir it up a little bit more.
I'll do it.
Okay, is it all ready to pour in?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's so good. Okay, put that in the sink. Put this in the sink. Put this in the sink. No, put this in here, like this. Okay, all right, you ready to put this in the refrigerator now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can go over here. Okay, come on. Here we to go in the refrigerator. Are you ready? Okay, come open it. Okay. Ready? Oh look, there's some cheese. You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay, give me 5. Good job on the Jell-O. Hey, good job on the Jell-O. Give me 5.
Huh?
Give me 5. Nice job.